Miss Nuki, ano po yung fondest memory niyo po with Miss Pilita Corrales po?
Ako, I have a lot of fun memories kay Tita Pilita. To begin with, kasi si Tito Eddie Mercado is the cousin of Tita Pilita. Sa mga hindi ko nakakilala kay Tito Eddie Mercado, siya po yung isa sa mga pinakasikat na mga hosts natin noon ng mga game show sa telebisyon. Tapos he was everywhere pagdating sa mga beauty pageants. Siya talaga yung sought after na kinukuha to host these pageants. Anyways, kilala ko si Tita Pilita. I had the honor and the privilege of knowing the Queen. Bata pa lang ako. Baby pa ako.
Ano po yung first impression niyo po sa kanya nung una niyo po siyang na-meet po?
First impression ko kay Tita Pilita was she was so beautiful. Di ba? Hindi naman natin maipagtatatwa. Napakaganda ng mukha ni Tita Pilita. Perfect ang features ni Tita. Ganda pa ng legs. And then, you realize soon after na ang ganda rin ang kalooban niya. Tita Pilita is one of the kindest people that I've ever met in my life, honestly. I will never forget how kind to me she was when I was a child and as I was starting out in underage noon as a teenager sa Legal. Tapos nag-ano kami, nagpo-promote kami. Nakikita ko si Tita Pilita, we would bump into each other sa mga shows. May mga guestings ako, nag-guesting si Tita Pilita. She was so warm, she was always accommodating, she was very maternal sa amin. Kahit na alam naman natin kung kaihan natin ni Tita Pilita si Jackie. And what a wonderful person Jackie also is. She takes after her mom. Kung ano yung kagandahan ng kalooban ni Tita Pilita, ganun din si Jackie. Pati ang kanilang, they have the same beautiful face. But yun, si Tita Pilita, ganun siya. Very very warm, very accommodating, very kind-hearted. Wala siyang yabang sa katawan.
Last two questions.
Very humble.
When it comes to work ethics po, ano po yung natutunan niyo po kay Miss Pilita?
Pilita is a consummate performer, very professional. Yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan kay Tita Pilita sa mga shows na nakasama ako pagka may mga ang show noon, yung mga lunch date nung araw ng time shows. Meron kaming mga show sa Amerika na pagkasama kami ni Tita Pilita. She was always so professional. Oo. Laging on time si Tita Pilita. So yun ang hindi ko makakalimutan. Yun ang dapat mag-drop off sa akin at sa lahat pa ng mga tao nasa industriya na hindi lang sa mga baguhan, kundi kami rin mga matagal na sa industriya. Yun ang influence ni Tita Pilita na hindi namin na magandang i-embrace yung kanyang pagka-professional, yung kanyang pagmamahal sa trabaho niya, yung passion niya.
And message na lang po kay Miss Pilita if ever na gusto niyo sabihin sa kanya. Any last word for her?
Tita Pilita, I love you so much. I want to thank you for all the times that you were so kind to me, you were so gracious, you were so warm and accommodating to me. I will never forget the times mga kwentuhan ni Mami Mila, who is now in heaven with you. Please say hello to my mommy for me. Please tell her that I love her. I will miss you, Tita Pilita. You will never be forgotten. Mangkos lalo ka pa namin maaalala in every way because you are such a beautiful person. You are the eternal star forever and ever. I love you, Tita, and I know that you're in a better place now. God rest your soul. And thank you for all the good influence and the honor that you have brought to the country, to the Philippines. And yung influensya mo iniwan sa amin, magandang influence. Thank you, Tita Pilita, for everything. A million thanks to you.
Thank you po, Miss Nu.